Namaste. Myself Dr. Seema Rawat. Welcome to our Terra MD Ayurveda Panchkarma Center. Today we are going to talk about another undertaking Panchkarma procedure which is known as Kati Basti. In Ayurveda, Kati refers to the lower back region of the body. So, the procedure of applying heat to the lumbar and sacral region by retaining the warm medicated oil into a specially formed frame on its surface is known as Kati Basti. Kati Basti is indicated in painful conditions of lower back region. Hence, this procedure is proved to be beneficial in many diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lumbosacral strain, disc prolapse, ankylosing spondylitis, and lumbar spondylosis. Now, let's start the procedure. Kati Basti may be performed at any time of the day, but the ideal time for this procedure is in morning hours. After getting freshen up, evacuating the bowel and urine as well as brushing the teeth. So, before starting the procedure, let's chant the holy mantra to seek blessings from the Almighty for the successful performance of this procedure and speedy recovery of the patient from the illness. नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवं सुरासुरैवन्दितपादपद्मं लोके जरारुग्भयमृत्युनाशं दातारमीशं विविधौषधीनाम् ॐ श्री धन्वन्तरे नमः. Kati Basti procedure will be followed by the Abhyanga or local massage. Patient is asked to lie down on his abdomen in the prone position so that the lower back region is exposed to carry out our Abhyanga procedure or local massage procedure. For the massage, here we have taken medicated sesame oil. This is lukewarm in nature. We will take some oil in our both hands and then apply it on the affected area. Now, place your palm on lumbosacral region and your thumb approximated at the middle on the spine, and the fingers are spread covering the buttock on the either side. And now gently massage with thumbs in upward direction. Move your palm in upward direction. Apply a gentle and firm pressure. It should be comfortable to the patient and do not cause any discomfort or pain. Repeat this process for some time. Now move your palm in circular motion. Now continuing the massage, apply gentle and firm pressure by making fist of your both hands in upward direction of lumbosacral region. This abhyanga or local massage should be done for an about 15 to 20 minutes. And this is how we have done our local massage procedure. For the main Kati Basti procedure, here we have already prepared the dough of black gram flour. We have taken about 500 gram to make the dough of this black gram flour. And now we will make a rod-like structure from this dough. Roll it in a shape of rod-like structure to place it on the back of the patient, covering the affected area. As we make a rod-like structure from this dough, and now we will place it on the back of the patient and cover the affected area. We will make a circular mold from it. Here it forms a ring-like structure of approximately 5 inch in a diameter. As the time passes, technology evolved. These type of acrylic molds come for the Kati Basti procedure, but traditionally in Ayurveda we used to do this procedure by the black gram flour, as the black gram flour also has property to pacify the morbid vata dosha in the body, and also the diseases in which we are performing the Kati Basti procedure has also the involvement of vitiated vata dosha. That is why we are using this black gram flour. And now the gap between the skin and the mold is sealed by pressing the black gram paste against the skin. We can also use a cotton piece to seal it at both inside and outside surface of the ring. And in this way our mold get prepared. Now take the medicated oil and pour it inside the ring with the help of a spoon. First, start pouring the oil at the corners of the ring. Do not directly pour the oil at the center part of the ring, as it may cause burn to the skin at the center part. We can also pour the oil into the ring by another method. Take a cotton piece, soak it into the oil, and then take it in your hand, making a fist, letting your thumb in downward direction, and then squeeze it gently. This method is used traditionally for pouring the oil into the ring or mold. We will fill the oil in the mold up to an 1 inch of height. Now dip one of your thumb in the oil inside the frame and move the thumb in a linear fashion on the spine, applying a gentle and firm pressure. This massage can be continued for about 5 minutes. As the time passes, the oil gets starting cool down. When it gets cooled, take out the oil from the frame with the help of a spoon or a syringe without the needle. You can also soak a piece of cotton to remove the oil from the frame. In this way, we will remove the oil which gets cooled down. And now, fresh lukewarm oil is poured again into the mold, little by little, with the help of a spoon. Same, starting with the corners of the mold. Now again, massage with your thumb in the same manner, applying gentle and firm pressure, and move your thumb in a linear fashion on the spine. The cooled oil that is taken out is now kept in the water bath again for heating and will be reused later during the procedure. In this way, again, when the oil in the frame cools down, it should be replaced by the warm one, and this cycle will be repeat for about half an hour. The oil that is getting absorbed from the skin has its unique therapeutic effect. One thing is to note down, as we always say, that the oil should be heated in indirect flame in a water bath. If we will heat the oil in direct flame, it may destroy the properties of our medicated oil. So it always be heated in a water bath. And for practicing it about half an hour, our Kati Basti procedure has completed, and now we can remove the medicated oil and the mold. Now, after removing the mold, gently massage it for about 5 minutes as we have done it earlier in our video. In this way, we assured that the medicated oil should get absorbed by the skin and now after the Kati Basti procedure, doing local abhyanga or local massage as post procedure. After that, we will do the fermentation. For this, we will take a towel, soaked it in the boiled water, and then squeeze it to get rid of the extra water. And then apply its heat to the back by waving, touching and pressing the warm towel on the back. Apply pressure gently without causing any pain to the back. Continue the procedure for about 5 minutes. And this is how our Kati Basti procedure has completed. And now we will ask patient to rest for about 15 minutes in supine position. And after resting for about 15 minutes, patient is allowed to take bath or continue his routine. Here, the toilet soap is avoided for bathing to remove the oil. Instead of this, the black gram powder can be used for this purpose. That's all from the today's procedure. Thank you. Hari Om.